Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this Galaxy Broadband review, including plans and services, are down below in the description. This video shares my personal experience with their internet service. Here, we'll explore Galaxy Broadband's most important features, who it's best suited for, and how it performs in real-world scenarios. By the end, you'll have the information you need to decide if Galaxy Broadband is the right internet provider for you. Galaxy Broadband is a Canadian internet provider specializing in connecting rural, remote, and underserved communities. They concentrate on bringing internet access to locations where traditional providers struggle to reach. With over 3 decades of experience, Galaxy Broadband leverages fixed wireless and high-speed satellite internet technologies, ensuring reliable connectivity in even the most challenging environments. This makes them a great choice for individuals, businesses, and various industries operating in isolated areas. A key feature of Galaxy Broadband is the flexibility they offer with their customizable plans. Users can tailor their data packages and speeds to perfectly match their needs. So, whether you're a casual internet user or need a lot of bandwidth for activities like video conferencing, streaming, or other data-intensive tasks, Galaxy Broadband likely has a plan that fits. They also provide dedicated, enterprise-level internet services, which are perfect for industries like oil and gas, mining, and construction, sectors that heavily depend on robust and consistent connectivity at remote work sites. Another strength of Galaxy Broadband is their dedication to reliability. They utilize cutting-edge technology to minimize outages and maintain consistent performance, even in harsh weather. Furthermore, their managed service options offer added advantages, including network monitoring, enhancing the overall reliability and stability of the connection.